In this video, we will show you how to perform bulk operations in OpenKM. The first step is to select a set of nodes and press the Bulk Actions button. At this point, all these nodes will be added to a list. We can add documents from different locations. From here, we can delete, copy, move, lock, unlock, and so on. We can also add keywords, categories, and metadata groups and, similarly, remove them, such as deleting keywords or categories. In this example, we will select 3 documents and move them to another location. We will choose the destination directory and initiate this operation on the documents. We can see that the new path is now within the general directory. Next, we will deselect and proceed to add a keyword. We start the process. And if we check one of these documents in the Properties tab, we will see the added keyword. Then, we do the same with categories. Select a category, add it, and start the process. Upon checking a node in the Properties, we see it now has the category, Cat A. Finally, we will add a metadata group. We select a group, fill in the data, and apply the process. Once again, we check a node, in this case, a document. In the Metadata tab, we can see the added metadata group. By verifying the rest of the documents, we confirm that they all have the added metadata and the same keyword and category. For more information or any questions, feel free to contact us through our website form or via our social media.